Mora, KTN.
Let's cross over to Turkana, where Interior CS Kipchumba Murkomen has announced the formation of a multi-sectoral security team to spearhead the search for 20 missing fishermen in Lake Turkana. The fishermen were reportedly killed in a brutal attack by suspected Ethiopian militia on Saturday morning. Elvis Kuske with more.
The Interior Cabinet Secretary has tasked the Rift Valley Regional Commissioner with leading the search and rescue operation. Additionally, Turkana County Commissioner Julius Kavita and his regional team have been directed to sustain the mission until all missing fishermen are accounted for.
Wao ambao wajapatikana, nimepatia orders regional commissioner wetu hapa. Mmeona regional commissioner ako hapa, tumekuja na yeye anatengeneza team kutoka kesho, wakiongozwa na county commissioner, wataenda kuingia pale kuongea na ile serikali ya upande ule mpaka tukubaliane watu wetu ambao wamepotea wapatikane.
Meanwhile, a high-level security meeting held in Todonyang, the Ethiopian administration reportedly acknowledged that their people were responsible for the attack. Ethiopian authorities have pledged to cooperate with the Kenyan security forces in search for the missing fishermen.
Tutahakikisha kwamba tumeanza mipango ya kufungua hapa a border post ambayo tutajua nani amekuja Kenya, nani ametoka Kenya.
The violence erupted following a fishing dispute between the Turkana and Dasanat communities, which resulted in the killing of 3 Dasanat fishermen. In retaliation, the Dasanat militia regrouped and launched a coordinated attack on the villages of Lotira and Lopeimukat.
Watu zaidi ya watu 20 saa hizi, hata zaidi ya 20 haijulikani penye walipo.
DAP-K party leader Eugene Wamalwa has criticized the government for prioritizing peace efforts in the foreign nation while failing to protect Kenyans living in border areas.
Sisi badala ya kulinda mipaka yetu na kulinda wananchi wa Kenya, tumechukua askari wetu wameenda Haiti kwenda kulinda watu wa Haiti, na wa Kenya Turkana wana